Hey everybody, welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. I'm just going to show you around the 2017 TTRS, the Audi TTRS in Nardo grey. This car's only covered 17,000 miles. On the extras it's got comfort pack and sound pack. Try to get a good angle on the wheels here. There you go. 20-inch alloys with the red calipers, sports exhaust system, and this car produces almost 400 brake horsepower. Really is a stunning car. 67 plate. Still got manufacturer's warranty, Audi warranty through to 2020. If the car's due a service, we'll give it an Audi service. Really is a stunning car. Just come into stock. As I say, with the sports exhaust, comfort pack, sound pack. As I say, building out 400 brake horse or thereabouts, just short of 17,000 miles. Beautiful car. A very wanted colour. I hope I'm getting a good angle on this, but there we go. Round to the rear. All the tyres are excellent. Wheels are unmarked. Stunning car. As I say, all the wheels totally unmarked. I'll get into the interior in a second. Let's have a look inside. There you go, TTRS. Fantastic interior. Real detailed seats. Sports steering wheel, flat bottom wheel, into the dash. So, hope that gives you a taste of this fantastic TTRS. Just landed here at AMT Specialist Cars. We'll be delighted to hear from you, either by landline telephone or drop us an email. Thank you for watching the video. And speak to you soon. Thank you so much.